All right, guys, welcome back. So we're getting the house renovated. So here we go. We're stepping out for the first time this morning. They've been doing work. Here's the floor. They just put the tile down, tile. Yo. Oh, wow. Check out the living room. Yo. They're doing the floors in the whole entire room, or in the whole entire house. Yo, this is beautiful. And then the drywall wasn't in the plan. He said he was gonna do it for free. Still had the ceiling. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, so now we're going in the kitchen. Still have some more work to do. Waterproof vinyl plank. You know I had to get the black and silver stove. Then we had the washer and dryer. Now we just need a black deep freezer and a fridge. That's pretty much it. Tell me what you think.